Hello everyone, so this is Dr. 𝐍𝐚𝐭𝐮𝐫𝐞, founder of 𝐭 Products. So we are now at �திருவண்ணாமலை Medical College. So I have some exciting news to you today. So let's see. So where we are going is that, so we have installed a brand new 𝐭 Nature's Nest 50 kg per day composting machine, so that I can show you. So it was working here for the past 9 months almost. So today there is a function today, so where the Honorable Health Minister and Honorable Highways Minister of Tamil Nadu, so both are present, and they have planted trees and they have used the compost, so which was made from our mission. So that's one of the beauty of today. So you can see the plantations over there. So that was planted by Honorable Ministers, and the compost what they have used is Nature's Nest machine. So let's go. Yeah, come with me so I can show you more about this machine. Come. So this is a machine. So organic waste composting machine. So it's 100% natural composting machine. So the food waste, especially from the outpatients and patients who are is collected, segregated, and food waste is actually taken to this machine, right? So what they are doing is that they are processing those food waste and making it out as a wonderful compost. So what they have to do is they have to just dump their segregated food waste into this input dome. It's very easy, right? Because it's fully automated, so no manual intervention required. So only manual intervention is that you just put the waste in it. So this is the chamber. So where you will actually put the waste into it. So there will be a mixing. So it actually mixes the waste. So there are blowers inside the machine which actually aerates it, and it's a 100% automatic process. So once you put the waste in it, actually becomes compost. So the actual process is 11 days. So whatever waste you are putting in today will come out as compost on 11th day. Whatever waste you are putting on day 1 comes out as compost on 11th day. The day you are putting on day 2 comes out as compost on 12th day. So it's a sequential way. So whatever waste you put in it, it will be retained there for 11 days. So later it comes out as a compost. So that's the waiting period. You can keep on loading it. For example, it's 50 kg per day. So they are actually loading 50 kg of waste into it daily, and they are collecting compost into it out of the machine. So I can show you how the compost comes out of it. I am very excited to show this. This is a wonderful compost. You can see. So it actually churns it and makes the compost out of it, right? So it's a magic. It's not a magic, it's actually science, microbial process. So it converts your waste into compost. Wonderful manure. So this wonderful manure is made by this Nature's Nest. So 𝐭 is patented technology. So 𝐭 Nature's Nest is 𝐭 Products, 100% natural, fully automatic composting machine. So it keeps on coming. So just put the machine in output mode, it comes out and goes out all these finished compost. So you can directly use this compost for this wonderful plants. So that's what actually happened today. So the minister, they have planted tree samplings today in the premises of �திருவண்ணாமலை Medical College. They have used the compost which is taken from this machine as a venue for the plantations. So I hope you all impressed by this technology. So see you all with another video. So thank you. So signing off by Dr. 𝐍𝐚𝐭𝐮𝐫𝐞. Bye.